A major update in the Kolkata trainee doctor's rape and murder case. India Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident, and now bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and other justices will hear the case. The plea seeks to widen the scope of judicial scrutiny in the case and assume significance in view of the fact that Calcutta High Court is already in action and has transferred the probe into the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. The plea also keeps in mind the nationwide outrage regarding the horrific murder of the postgraduate student and their demands of safety at hospitals. The horrific nature of the crime sparked a nationwide outrage and a strike by doctors across India, which continues even now. Students and junior doctors are continuing their protest at the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital.
Justice for R.G. Kar. Justice for R.G. Kar. Justice for R.G. Kar. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
The mother-in-law of a civic volunteer, that's Sanjay Roy, who was arrested for his alleged involvement, has also spoken. His mother-in-law claimed that Sanjay Roy used to beat his ex-wife.
संजय ठीक नहीं था, अब उसको आप लोग फांसी में चढ़ाइए चाहे जो चढ़ाइए, अब उसमें देखिए ये अपराध में इसमें हम नहीं बोलेगा, अब जहां वो अकेला लड़का उसको मार खत्म कर नहीं सकेगा, अकेला तो उसका कैपेसिटी नहीं होगा.
In the latest, Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital, is in more trouble as the West Bengal government formed a special investigation team on Monday, and that is set to investigate financial irregularities at the hospital from January 2021 to present. The move comes even as Central Bureau of Investigation officers cautioned Sandeep Ghosh for the fourth consecutive day in connection with its probe. Meanwhile, the BJP has demanded resignation of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. CBI has appointed 2 top women officers to probe the matter. The team will be led by Additional Director Sampath Meena, who has led high-profile cases such as the 2020 Hathras rape murder and the 2017 Unnao rape case. ASP Seema Pahuja will handle the ground investigation. Pahuja, known as one of the sharpest officers in the CBI, has extensive experience in investigating cases under the Special Crime Unit. Between 2007 and 2018, she was awarded the gold medal twice for her outstanding investigation work. Pahuja used a unique scientific technology for the first time while solving the rape and murder case in Shimla. She also brought the Hathras case to its conclusion based on scientific evidence. Pahuja is considered immune to external pressures, and her involvement in any case is seen as a guarantee of success. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.